Only Allah Ta'ala can do this. But first, while we're studying now, we study our Hifz first, inshallah. Then, if life permits us, give us a chance, then we do alim course. Inshallah, after that, whatever comes after that is from Allah. And nothing we can do on ourselves. Everything, the Creator is Allah, and everything is done by Allah. Nothing is done from our side, our wealth, our health, our strength, our power, our knowledge. We don't possess nothing. Allah Ta'ala says Malik. Malik means the owner of everything. So like this, every day we have parents, make sure we make the khidmat for them. Why? Because the mother, under the mother's feet is Jannat. And the key to this Jannat is the father. So we have to look after them both alike. Yeah? We'll try, inshallah. We'll do this. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us tawfiq. And Allah ta'ala make us the alims of tomorrow, inshallah. We'll all request this from Allah ta'ala. We'll make dua, inshallah. Jazakallah, Allah.